Featuring an impeccable trio in Britt Lauer, Jamie Lee Curtis, and Ray Seahorn, new psychological thriller Cinder premiered at South by Southwest, and we talked with some of the film's biggest stars. Let's just start with this. Can you tell me what it was like getting to produce and work on this film, Cinder?
Well, I'm the executive producer, so my job was to basically make sure the money was there. So at the end of the day, what I was able to have the experience with Jake and Molly and how they communicated and gave me the opportunity to just be a part of the film by being on set, feeding me information, educating me. It was one of the best experiences I could ever have, right? They are true professionals and amazing people. And then the cast and the crew, gold.
Yeah.
I'm probably one of the luckiest people here.
Yeah, I think that's really special. One last question for you. What are you most excited about being here in Austin and being at South by?
It's already happened, right? I got to hear Jamie Lee Curtis today. She was phenomenal. I got to see the crew again who worked on it. They're just amazing souls. And most importantly, my wife is by my side. She's my partner. And without her, I can't do anything. So it's all of that entire scenario. I think I'm a little bit emotionally concussed right now. Like, it's a lot. And I'm blessed.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.